Okay, so what do you do if you don't have a bow tie and you've only got ordinary ties? That's not actually a problem. I've scoured and I've found a couple of videos. I'm going to share with you one of them with you on how to do a bow tie from a normal tie. So I've just got a normal black tie here, and I'm starting off here because I want to fold this, and all I'm going to do is if you've got this bit here, this makes it slightly easier. I'm just going to put that through there just to hold it in place, and then I'm going to just unravel it a little bit, that makes it easier, and I'm just going to fold it back on itself, and I'm just going to layer this up. Okay, up to that bit, fold it back on itself. So I've now got two bits on each side, so that's slightly longer. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold that up, and then I'm hoping that it's still on screen, and they're going to fold that in half, and if I rotate this round, make sure I'm moving to the middle of the thing, I'm just going to bring it through, and I'm just going to go back over the top with it still folded in half, he says. Like so, and then I'm going to fold it through there. So in other words, you're tying a knot in it really. And then I can pull it nice and tight, and if I turn that over, and I can adjust this just by pulling it through so it's in the middle. Okay. And I can just turn that size in slightly. Just pull on this bit a bit more. There we go. Adjust it slightly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a loop and push the other end through like so. And then this bit will go over your collar. Right, so I've got my loop. I can then bring that over, and I can just thread this through and pull it all the way up to where I need it. And I'm just going to that's better, just pull on that so it's nice and tight, and then you can then tuck that under and through, and then that can go round underneath your collar, and there we have so much better with a dress shirt, this really would. And there we have our bow tie from a tie. And if you want to know what it looks like, these are a couple of other ties that I found. There's just a normal red and black one, and I've got a green one. And what I'll do is I've got an orangey coloured one. Ideally what you're looking for is, you don't want the kipper ties, you want one that's about the same sort of length that goes in, so that when you poke it through this bit, it just pulls it in slightly, and then it just stops it around. Otherwise what happens is it's too wide. So if you're looking from the other side, you can see both sides of the tie. If you've got a tie that's round about the same width, brilliant. If it's just slightly wider, okay, then we can just tuck that in there, and that'll then help you to decide. And then you've got to work out just how wide you want your tie. So I mean, I could do it, if I do it in the air like this, I could do it like that, fold it up, round over the top with my half thing, back round to the beginning, and then I'm just going to thread that underneath that loop, which makes it so much easier if you're leaning against something. And then if I just take that one off, just to show you. Okay, so, oops, other way around. Okay, tighten that up. Make my loop, push the end through, to show you how quick you can actually do it. Obviously it's a bit easy if you've actually got it on your neck, and I haven't got a neck through this one. Just wrap that round, drop that down. There we go. And there we have our bow ties from a tie. Okay, it's just a slight adjustments that you just need. That's it. And you can play around with that. There we go. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video.